Right now, as you're watching this video, blood is flowing through more than 60,000 miles of blood vessels inside your body. That's enough to wrap around the earth twice. And every single second, your heart pumps blood through this incredible network, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every organ, every muscle, every cell that keeps you alive. But here's what most people never think about. Over the years, something dangerous starts happening inside those vessels. Slowly, silently, a sticky buildup begins coating the walls of your arteries. It happens so gradually that you don't feel it. There's no pain, no warning signal, nothing that tells you something is wrong. Until one day, you notice you're out of breath just walking to the mailbox, or your legs feel heavy and tired after climbing a few stairs, or you wake up with numbness in your fingers that wasn't there before. These aren't just signs of getting older. These are warning signals that blood flow is being restricted, and when blood can't flow freely, everything in your body starts to struggle. More than 80 million Americans are living with some form of cardiovascular concern right now. That's nearly 1 in 3 adults. And the scary part is that many of them have no idea anything is wrong until they end up in an emergency room. But it doesn't have to be that way for you. What if I told you that one simple seed, something you can find in any grocery store for just a few dollars, has been shown in research from Harvard Medical School and the American Heart Association to support healthy arteries and promote better blood flow? This isn't some exotic ingredient from a faraway land. It's been sitting on store shelves your whole life, waiting for you to discover its remarkable power. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share exactly what this seed is, why it works so effectively, and the precise way to use it so you can start feeling the difference in your circulation. I'll also reveal the one critical mistake that stops most people from getting any benefit at all and how to avoid it. If you're serious about supporting your heart, protecting your arteries, and maintaining the energy and vitality you deserve, tap that like button right now and keep watching. What you're about to learn could change how you think about your cardiovascular health forever. Let's start with the basics. The seed I'm talking about is flaxseed. These tiny brown or golden seeds have been used for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Babylon, where they were cultivated for both food and medicine. But it's only in recent decades that modern science has uncovered just how powerful these little seeds really are. Flaxseed is one of the richest plant sources of something called alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Now, you've probably heard about omega-3 from fish oil, and yes, that's beneficial too. But flaxseed offers something unique. It provides omega-3 in a form that your body can use to help reduce inflammation throughout your entire cardiovascular system. Inflammation is one of the hidden causes of arterial buildup. When the walls of your blood vessels become inflamed, they become sticky. And when they're sticky, cholesterol and other particles in your blood start clinging to them, layer after layer, year after year. Eventually, those vessels that were once smooth and flexible become narrow and stiff. Blood has to push harder to get through. Your heart has to work overtime. And circulation to your extremities, your brain, your vital organs, all starts to suffer. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of flaxseed was associated with measurable improvements in arterial health markers. Another study from the Canadian Centre for Agri-Food Research showed that participants who added flaxseed to their daily routine experienced significant improvements in blood pressure readings, which is directly connected to how easily blood flows through your vessels. But here's where it gets really interesting. Flaxseed also contains something called lignans. These are natural plant compounds that act as antioxidants in your body. Flaxseed has up to 800 times more lignans than any other food. 800 times. These lignans help neutralize the free radicals that damage arterial walls and contribute to that dangerous buildup. Think of it this way. If your arteries are like pipes, then inflammation and oxidation are like rust forming on the inside. Over time, that rust narrows the pipe and restricts flow. Flaxseed helps stop the rusting process and may even help your body gradually clear away some of what's already there. Now, I know what you might be thinking. If flaxseed is so powerful, why haven't I heard more about it? The answer is simple. There's no big pharmaceutical company spending millions to advertise flaxseed. You can't patent a natural seed. So even though the research is there, published in peer-reviewed journals and conducted at respected institutions, it doesn't get the attention it deserves. But that's exactly why I'm making this video. Because you deserve to know about tools that can support your health naturally, without expensive prescriptions or complicated procedures. Let me tell you about the right way to use flaxseed, because this is where most people go wrong. The first mistake people make is eating whole flax seeds. You've probably seen those little seeds sprinkled on salads or mixed into bread at the store. The problem is, whole flax seeds pass right through your digestive system without being absorbed. Your body can't break through that hard outer shell. So you get almost none of the omega-3, none of the lignans, none of the benefits. The secret is grinding the seeds. When you grind flaxseed into a powder, you break open that protective shell and release all the beneficial compounds inside. Your body can now absorb everything flaxseed has to offer. Here's the best approach. Buy whole flax seeds and grind them yourself in a coffee grinder or blender. Only grind what you'll use in the next week or two, because once ground, flaxseed can start to oxidize and lose potency. Store your ground flaxseed in an airtight container in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. The ideal amount is 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed per day. That's all it takes. Such a small amount, yet packed with so much potential benefit for your circulation. Now, let's talk about timing, because when you take flaxseed matters almost as much as how you take it. The most effective time is in the morning with your first meal of the day. Your body is in absorption mode after the overnight fast, ready to take in nutrients efficiently. When you consume ground flaxseed in the morning, those omega-3 fatty acids and lignans get to work supporting your cardiovascular system throughout the entire day. You can mix ground flaxseed into oatmeal, which is my personal favorite. The warm oatmeal helps release even more of the beneficial oils from the seeds. You can blend it into a morning smoothie with some berries and banana. You can stir it into yogurt. You can even mix it into your morning coffee or tea, though I'd recommend letting it cool slightly first. Some people ask me about taking flaxseed oil instead of the seeds. Flaxseed oil does contain the omega-3 fatty acids, and it's certainly convenient. But here's the thing. The oil doesn't contain the fiber or the lignans. You're missing 2 out of 3 major benefits. So while flaxseed oil is better than nothing, the whole ground seed is far superior for cardiovascular support. There's another method that can amplify the benefits even further, and this is something most people never learn about. You can make flaxseed water, sometimes called flaxseed tea. Here's how it works. Take 1 tablespoon of whole flax seeds and add them to a glass of water before bed. Let them soak overnight for at least 8 hours. In the morning, you'll notice the water has become slightly thick and gel-like. That gel contains soluble fiber that can help bind to cholesterol in your digestive system and carry it out of your body. Strain out the seeds or leave them in, and drink this flaxseed water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Many people report feeling a difference in their energy and circulation within the first day or two of using this method. The soluble fiber also supports healthy digestion, which has its own connection to cardiovascular health that researchers are only beginning to fully understand. Let me share what the science says about how quickly you might notice changes. Within the first 24 to 48 hours of consistent flaxseed use, the omega-3 fatty acids begin circulating in your bloodstream, supporting reduced inflammation in your vessel walls. You might notice subtle improvements in how your hands and feet feel, especially if you've been experiencing coldness or numbness. Within 1 to 2 weeks, the lignans have had time to build up in your system, providing ongoing antioxidant protection. Many people report feeling more energetic, with less fatigue during daily activities. Within 4 to 6 weeks, research shows that measurable changes in cardiovascular markers can occur. Blood pressure readings may improve. Cholesterol profiles may shift in a healthier direction. the arteries themselves may become more flexible and responsive. And the beautiful thing is, these benefits continue to compound over time. Flaxseed isn't a quick fix that wears off. It's a sustainable, natural way to support your cardiovascular system for years to come. Now, I want to address something important. Flaxseed is remarkably safe for most people, but there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're taking blood-thinning medications, talk to your doctor before adding flaxseed to your routine. The omega-3 fatty acids can have a mild blood-thinning effect, which is actually one of the ways they support circulation. But you want to make sure it's appropriate for your specific situation. If you have digestive concerns, start with a smaller amount, maybe half a tablespoon, and gradually increase. The fiber in flaxseed is wonderful for digestive health, but introducing too much too quickly can cause temporary discomfort as your body adjusts. And always drink plenty of water when consuming ground flaxseed. The fiber absorbs liquid and expands, so adequate hydration helps everything move through smoothly. Here's something else that can enhance the benefits of flaxseed. Pairing it with vitamin C helps your body convert the plant-based omega-3 into forms it can use even more efficiently. So adding some berries to your flaxseed oatmeal or drinking a glass of orange juice alongside your flaxseed water can give you an extra boost. Movement also amplifies the cardiovascular benefits. Even gentle walking for 15 to 20 minutes after your morning flaxseed helps stimulate circulation and allows those beneficial compounds to reach every part of your body. You don't need intense exercise, just consistent, gentle movement that gets your blood flowing. Let me tell you about the one habit that determines whether flaxseed works for you or not. This is what I promised at the beginning, and it's absolutely critical. The habit is consistency. Flaxseed doesn't work if you use it once and forget about it. It doesn't work if you try it for 3 days and then stop. The research that shows cardiovascular benefits, that's based on regular, daily consumption over time. Think of it like this. One healthy meal doesn't make you healthy. One workout doesn't make you fit. But one healthy meal every day, one workout every day, that's what transforms your body over time. Flaxseed works the same way. The people who experience the most dramatic improvements are the ones who make flaxseed a non-negotiable part of their morning routine. They don't think about whether to take it today. They just do it automatically, like brushing their teeth. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to 30 days of daily flaxseed, 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed every morning, without fail. Put the bag next to your coffee maker so you see it every day. Set a reminder on your phone. Do whatever it takes to build that habit. After 30 days, pay attention to how you feel. Notice your energy levels. Notice how your legs feel when you walk. Notice whether your hands and feet feel warmer. Notice your overall sense of vitality. I'm confident that if you give flaxseed an honest 30-day trial, you'll never want to go back to life without it. Your cardiovascular system has been working for you every second of every day since before you were born. It never takes a break. It never complains. It just keeps pumping, keep flowing, keeps you alive. Now, you have a simple, natural, affordable way to give back to your heart and arteries, to support the system that supports everything else in your body, to help maintain the circulation that keeps your brain sharp, your energy strong, and your body functioning the way it should. Flaxseed isn't a miracle cure. I would never claim that. But it is a powerful tool backed by real research from institutions like Harvard and the American Heart Association. It's a tool that works with your body's natural processes rather than against them. And it's a tool that's been available all along, just waiting for you to pick it up. This is your path to better circulation, and it all starts with one tiny seed. Which method will you try first? The ground flaxseed in your morning oatmeal, the flaxseed water on an empty stomach, or maybe blended into a smoothie? Tell me in the comments below. Your choice might inspire someone else who's been struggling with the same circulation concerns you've experienced. Thank you for being here and investing this time in your health. Your heart matters. Your arteries matter. and the vitality you feel every day matters more than most people realize. Now, because you watched until the end, I highly recommend the video on your screen. My team and I poured hours into making it, and I know you'll love it.